So today, Kinsley and I are going to be making some copycat swig sugar cookies. The first ingredient is 1 cup of butter. Kinsley, can you show me how you open up the butter and put it in our Bosch mixer? Can you do this just like DiDi's doing? Just like that? Very good. Okay, don't touch the butter that way. Go like this and let it fall in, okay? Hold it like this. Hold it like that. Oh, perfect. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, take your hands out. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to mix it up. Can you turn on my mixer for me? Watch. No, right here, so that you don't put your hands in it. Look at this. See, it's going to get all mixed up. Is that all mixed up? Okay, then we're going to add something else. You know what we're going to add next? Don't touch inside. Watch, we're going to add some of this grapeseed oil. Okay, so we need 3 of these. So this is 1/4 of a cup, and we need 1/3 of a cup. So we're going to do 3. And we're using grapeseed oil because it doesn't have any taste to it. 1. Let's try again. Yeah, okay. 2. And 1 more. Hold on. How much do we got? Okay, 3. Perfect. Take it all the oil. Dump all the oil in. Let's dump all the oil all the way in. Okay, now we're going to turn on our mixer again. Okay? How do we turn on our mixer? Very good. This way, huh? Can you do it? Okay, let's mix it all up pretty, huh? Don't touch it, so we don't want to get hurt. Okay, now after we mix it all together, we're going to add some eggs. Yay! Okay, so I'll take an egg, and you take an egg. See? These eggs you collect from Papa's chickens. Yeah, look it. We're going to put 1 egg in there. Wait, just a minute. Okay, I'll help you, okay? So like this, we're going to open it up like this and push all the stuff in. Okay? Should we do it this one too? Okay. Let's be really careful. And let it all go in. You see how it all went in? Okay, now we get to mix it again. Can you turn on the mixer? Let me help you. Okay, here it goes. Getting all mixed up nice? Okay, yeah, we need to wash our hands, huh? Here, right here, we're going to wash up our hands. Yeah. And then we're going to add something else to our mix. What do you think we're going to add next? Some sugar? Yeah, 2 different kinds of sugar. Okay, we're going to put that on last. Okay, so I have, right here, I have 1 1/4 cups of regular white sugar. Can you dump it all in there for me? Perfect. Okay, and the other, I have, I believe it is 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. Did we get it all in there? Okay. Now we're going to start the mixer again.
No, I mean.
Okay, you do it. You have to go this way with it. Ooh, watch it all mix up. Okay, the next thing we're going to add is a little bit of vanilla. Can you add the vanilla? Yeah, this way so we can put it all in there. That's a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay. And then we're going to add some sour cream. This is 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Get it? They kind of bang it, okay? Can you go in there now? Almost all of it. I'll help you. Okay, just a minute. Let's get it all in there. What? Okay, I'm going to use this thing just to get it all the good stuff. Oh, you want to eat it? Okay. I might need another spoon now. Okay. Then, Kinsley, we're gonna add a bunch of flour, okay? And I'm gonna show you, it's a special way to do the flour. Can you listen? Okay. Oh, you wanna help so much. Okay, let's put it in here first. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we're making sure it's not super thick, okay? Watch. And then we're gonna take this knife and go like this and just level it off, okay? And then you can add on this one. Can you add this one in there? Very good. Let's do another one. We're gonna add this. This. I know I gotta get it all filled up. Okay, and then you put that one in. Can you put this one in? Want to help me make the cookies? Put this one in. Very good. That's 2. Now, Kinsley, we have to go up to 5.5. So yeah, can you? Which one is this one? Is this 3? Yeah. This one's number 3. Come here. Okay. Let's put this one in. 3. Okay, this one's number 4. You ready? You want to do this one all by yourself? Okay, put it in there. 4, and then we have 5. We got to do 5, and then we're almost done. 5. Okay, here we go. Woo! Okay, can you put this one in?
I want it.
You want it?
Uh-huh.
Okay, you do it. Can you hold it up there? Okay, make sure it's all in there. Good. Don't spill it out. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to do a 1/2 cup, which is this smaller one, Kinsley. 1/2 cup. Okay, now we're going to add the salt. The salt is right here, so put all that in this one. No, this one's done. Okay, you can add that one first. That one's baking powder. Good job. And then this one right here is called cream of tartar. Very good. And then this one is the salt. Very good. Now we're going to put the lid on and mix it all up. Okay? Look at, we got flour everywhere. Yeah. We'll just wipe it off. No big deal. Just cooking with Grandma DiDi. Okay, now we gotta turn it on. Can you turn it on? Good job. Can you watch it mix up? Okay, we'll take this off and see what's inside of our mixer. Wow. Okay. Now, Kinsley, we're going to take a scoop of the cookie dough and we're going to roll it. Can you take this like this in your hands? I'm going to show you. And you roll it a little bit like that and put it on the cookie sheet. Can you do that for me?
I did it.
Yeah, here you go. No, not yet. Not yet. Okay, here you go. Oops, can you roll it in your hands like I did? Like this, go like this and roll it like this. Roll. And then you just put it right here and one right here. Oh, perfect. There we go. Let's do another one till we get the whole. There we go. Let's do another one till we get the whole sheet filled up. Oh, wow. And we'll go right here. We'll put this one right here. You want another one? Here you go.
Roll it into a ball.
Okay, watch this, okay. Like this, roll it and roll it and roll it into a circle. Do you know your shape of a circle?
You need to do it with her. Put it in her hands and you do her hands. She just ate. I missed it. I missed it.
Okay, like this.
It's good.
Like this. Roll and roll and roll, and then put it right there. Let's do another one.
Is it good?
Here we go. Roll and roll. Roll and roll and roll. Roll. Oh my goodness. Squish and squish and squish.
It's Play-Doh.
Okay, here we go. And I'm going to teach you.
Play-Doh.
After this time, we're going to show you another one. We're going to actually are going to squish them. Okay? And the way we're going to squish them is with a canning jar. Is it yummy? Yeah, it's yummy. Okay, look at Ken's. Now we're going to take a canning jar, and on this side, we're going to dip our canning jar in a little bit of water, like this, okay? And then shake the water off, and then we're going to, this is our sugar, and we're going to dip it like this, and see on the bottom how you get some sugar on it? Like that. We're going to press it onto our cookie. Can you do that? Can you press the jar onto our cookie like this? See? And look at what it does to our cookie. It flattens our cookie. Okay, you get to do the next one and flatten the cookie, okay? Put it on there and flatten it with the jar, like this. Push. Very good. Now we do it again. Okay, let's do it all the cookies. Can you flatten it? Perfect. And get some more sugars. Flatten it. Oh my goodness, that was so good. Okay, over here on this one. Perfect. And this one. Perfect. And this one. Good job. Let's do another little bit of sugar over here on this one. Boosh. And this one. Good job. And this one. Good job. And this, wait, let's put this one just over here just a little bit more. Good job. Oh, perfect. Okay. And the last one. Very good. Oh, you pushed it so hard. Let's try it again. There you go. Perfect. Let's get them a little bit even, okay?
I did it.
You did it.
Okay, now it's time to bake them. Okay, Kinsley, we're going to put our butter in this for our frosting. Can you help me with the butter? Can I have your sucker?
No.
No? Can I? Do you want to put the butter in?
No.
You want to put it in there? Put it in the bowl. There you go. Okay, and then we're going to put this little thing of butter. Now we're going to add some powdered sugar, and we're going to add 6 cups, but we're going to do it slowly. Okay. Now this is our KitchenAid, and we're going to turn it on low so that it doesn't pop up too much. Okay. Oh, it still does, but
Oh.
yeah. That's what happens. Can you put this in? That is sour cream. Okay, we're going to put another little bit. And as we go, we're going to mix it all in slowly so that it gets all incorporated. You ready to add that? Okay, in a minute. Let's add the sugar first, okay? Here we go. That's 3 cups. We're going to do it really slowly. We're going to add a little bit of heavy whipping cream just so that we don't get it too dry.
I'm messy.
Yeah. Some vanilla. Okay, this is homemade vanilla. Can you do that? Yeah. I don't know how well this is going to work. Oh, can you put them in here in the bowl now?
Okay.
Okay, take them all off. Okay, let's do our next strawberry. Okay, can you push the thing down? Real hard, real hard. Keep going. Keep going all the way. Yummy strawberry. How does it taste?
got all the strawberries? Good job. How many? You want more?
Yeah, and then we're gonna get a little bit of your frosting on it, and you're gonna frost it. Is it still hot? Put a dab of frosting in the middle. And then you can put all of your strawberries on a cookie and decorate it, okay? Perfect. Okay, put another strawberry on it. Oh, on top of it? Not to the side? Mm-hmm. Like that. You stacking your strawberries? Very good. Perfect. It looks yummy. It's like a fruit pizza, huh? Should we cut it in half? Yeah? You want to try it? Do you want Papa to try it with you?
No.
You want to eat it by yourself? Cut it into fours, like a pizza. What do you think? You want to taste it like this? Should I take a taste?
Hey everybody, thanks for joining us today with Cooking with DiDi and her granddaughter Kinsley making copycat swig sugar cookies. Try this recipe at home and hope you enjoy. Thank you. Bye.